Hi, friends. So, I have a great book that I want to read to you this week, and it's called I Ain't Gonna Paint No More. And I've got a couple of paintbrushes here. I've got this one, well, a brush, and then I've also got this. This is a roller, and these you use to paint with both of these. So I guess you're not going to use these though if you ain't going to paint no more. So let's see what happens in our story. Uh-oh. One day, my mama caught me painting pictures on the floor and the ceiling and the walls and the curtains and the door. Ooh, I bet he was in big trouble. And I heard my mama holler like I never did before. Ooh, look at all those colors. Mama does not look happy. You ain't a-gonna paint no more. Uh-oh. Oh, where is he now? Look at him. He's in the bathtub. That's a messy bathtub, isn't it? I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. Oh, Mama's putting the paint way up high. That's what I say. But there ain't no way that I ain't gonna paint no more. Uh-oh. So I take some red and I paint my... Uh-oh, what's he gonna paint with the red? Head! All right, I'm gonna paint my head. I'm not actually gonna do the red though. Painting my head. All right, take some red and I paint my head. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Oh, what the heck. Gonna paint my neck. All right, let's paint your neck. There we go, neck. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still, I just can't rest till I paint my chest. All right, I'm gonna paint my chest. Painting my chest. Now, I ain't gonna paint no more. Guess there ain't no harm if I paint my... What's gonna rhyme with harm? That's right, you knew it. Arm. All right, I'm gonna paint my arm. Ain't no harm if I paint my arm. I'm using invisible paint. It's not as messy. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I just can't stand not to paint my hand. All right, here we go. I'm gonna paint my hand. Painting my hand. There we go. I'll paint both hands. All right. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Look at that hand. He painted it green. Then I see some black. So I paint my back. That's right. Let me get my back. Ugh. Ooh, that feels kind of good. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Like an Easter egg, gonna paint my leg. All right, let me paint my leg. You can't really see. I'm painting my leg. All right, painted my leg. Maybe I'll use the roller next time. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still I ain't complete till I paint my feet. Okay. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. All right, I'm gonna take the roller this time, and I'm going to paint my feet. Feet, feet. All right, painted my feet. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. Ain't gonna paint no more. But I'm such a nut, gonna paint my... What? Now y'all don't faint, 'cause there ain't no paint. So I ain't gonna paint no more. Oh, where is he? He's in the bathtub again. And who's in the bathtub with him? It's hard to tell, but that's his dog. You know, even in the story, we heard some dogs barking, didn't we? They were, I guess, just trying to be on cue. Lots of colors there, though. I see blue, which we've learned about. I see red, and I see our color for this week, yellow. Oh, lots of paint. All right, friends, thanks for listening to I Ain't Gonna Paint No More with me. Did he really, he said he wasn't gonna paint anymore, but did he listen to himself? No, he still kept painting till he was all out of paint. I bet Mama wasn't happy again. All right, you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.